Welcome. In our today's video, we have a nice exponent n multiplying by 3 power n multiplying by 3 power n being equal to 48, and we are needing to obtain the value of n. A nice exponent. Kindly, for those who are new in my channel, remember to subscribe, also to like and to share this video. Also, you can click on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever there is a new release. Otherwise, thanks so much for taking your time to study with me. We are going to make use of the power of exponent as follows. If you have a to the power of n multiplying by a to the power of n multiplying by a to the power of n, the rule says that when the base is the same and you are multiplying, then we add the exponent or the index. So it is going to be n plus n plus n, which is equal to 3n. In our case, our base is 3 and our exponent is n. So we shall have 3 to the power of n plus n plus n, because our base is 3 and our exponent is n. N plus n plus n plus n, it will be 3n. So on the left hand side, we shall obtain 3 power 3n being equal to 48. At this juncture, we can only take logarithm on both the signs. Then we shall make this law of logarithm. If you have the log of a to power x, then the rule says that you can multiply the index with the log. In our case, our index is 3n. So we shall have 3n multiplied by log of 3 being equal to log of 48. Then you want to write the factors of 48. 48 can be divided by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 is divisible by 2, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. Then we have 12 divided by 2 being equal to 6, and also 6 is divisible by 2 being equal to 3. 3 is divisible by 3, and 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So we have 3 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. And 24 times 2 is 48. So here, instead of 45, we shall have log of 2 power 4 multiplied by 3. Notice that here we have 2 repeated 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Then we employ also this other law of logarithm. When you have log of a multiplied by b, the result is the same as log of a plus log of b. So on the right hand side, we have log of 2 power 4 multiplied by 3. So we shall employ this law so that we shall have log of, so we have 3 log of 3n, log of 3 being equal to log of 2 to the power of 4 plus log of 3. Then by this law here, our t here is 4. So we shall have 4 log of 2 plus log of 3. Then we divide by log of 3 throughout. So on the left hand side, log of 3 will cancel, so that we are left with the 3n being equal to 4 log of 2 divided by log of 3 plus This one will be 1. Log of 3 will cancel out so that you shall have 1. Then we make use of this law of logarithm. When you have log of a divided by log of b, the result is the same as log of a to base b. So in our case, here we have log of 2 divided by log of 3. So we shall have log of 2 to base 3. We have 3 log of 2 to base 3 plus 1. Then we divide by 3 throughout. So we add 3 and being equal to 4 log of 2 to base 3 plus 1, and we are dividing by 3 throughout, so that on the left hand side we are left with n being equal to 4. So our final result is n is equal to 4 log of 2 to base 3 plus 1, everything divided by 3. We can verify to see whether our answer is correct. So verifying means that now our value of n, which is 4 log of 2 to base 3 plus 1 divided by 3, substituting here and checking whether on the left hand side we will have 48. Remember, we have said that on the left hand side we can add the index. So instead of 3 multiplying 3 power n multiplying by 3 power n multiplying by 3 power n, we can write it as 3 to the power of n being equal to 48. So what we want to do now, we write the value of n, which is 3 to the power of 4 log of 2 to base 3 plus 1, everything divided by 3. We want to see whether this one will give us 48. We want to see that whether it will give us 48. So the denominator is common, it cancels out, so that we are left with 3 to the power of 4 log of 2 to base 3 plus 1. We want to see whether it is equal to 48. Now, this is the same as 3 log of 2 power 4 divided by, base 3 plus 1. Will it give us 48? That is what we're interested in. Now, this is 3 log of 16 to base 3 plus 1. Is it equal to 48? At this juncture, noting that 3 log of 16 to base 3 plus 1 can be written as 3 power log of 16 to base 3 multiplied by 3 power 1. So noting that when you have a power log from b to base a, the result is equal to b. In our case here, our a is 3 and our b is 16. So we shall have here, all this part reduces to 16 because our b is 16 multiplied by 3 power 1 is the same as 3. Is it equal to 48? This is equal to 48 from here. So 3 times 6 is 18, carry 1. And 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 48. So 48 is equal to 48. And the equation has been verified, meaning that when you are given 3 to the power of n, multiplied by 3 to the power of n, multiplied by 3 to the power of m, being equal to 48, the value of n is equal to 4 logarithm of 2 to base 3 plus 1 divided by 3. Or you can write it as log of 16 to base 3 plus 1. You divide everything by 3. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on how to simplify this nice exponent. Kindly may I hear from you any other method which you can use to obtain the same value. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.